Here is how you can download, register and use the Dryomix Partner app. First you have to go on Google Play Store and then search for Dryomix Partner. Dryomix Dryomix Partner. Partner. The first option that shows up after searching for this, you have to open on that option. You have to download this application into your mobile phones. Once you are done with that, you have to click this app. To click on open, and this page shows up where you have to sign up in this app. Here you can select the sector that you and your business are into, seller, manufacturer or the services sector. For example, we are going with the seller one. You have to register yourself into that particular sector. You have to start with putting in the owner name, the mobile number, email ID. Then you have to set the password for yourself. You have to confirm the password. Then you have to click on sign up. The OTP comes on the number provided. You have to confirm that OTP and you have to type it in this box. Click on submit. This 3 basic step registration shows up. That starts with company basic information. You have to type in your company name. You have to set the address for your business or the shop. You can select the opening and closing times to your business as well, and also the functioning days. It can be 7 days a week or whatever that is comfortable and preferable for you. Then you have to click on submit. Next is bank details. That starts from GST number, then the PAN number, Aadhaar number, basic bank account details. That starts from account holder name. See, these are the basic bank details that are needed for the registration process to get completed. After you put in your name comes the account number, branch name of the bank, the IFSC number, then you have to select the account type, that is. Then you have to come down and click on submit. Again the page shows up. Again you have to click on submit. You now will see the terms and condition of where you have to read quickly all the terms and conditions that are implied under the platform. You have to click on accept. Here you have been signed in the application. You can see the home page, your profile, a unique MH seller code has been provided to you. After that, we can see the basic 4 available plans that you have to subscribe. That starts from 1499, the silver one, the gold and the platinum one. These are the 4 plans where you have to select any one and you have to subscribe it once in a year. These are annually subscription plans. Here we have selected 1499 basic plan. You have to put in your online payment details and click on proceed. After that, here you can see your profile has been verified very quickly. The invoice, the plan that has been active, the selected one. Here, this is one of the great benefits that the app provides, that you can add all the products and services that are included under your business on your own. The power to upload all these things are given to the partner itself. So you can always change and update and add products and services you want to on your own without any hassle. After that, you can see if someone is ordering through your shop, you can see that transaction here. If you deliver and complete the order, you will see it here in the home page in all orders, and if not, you can see it in pending orders as well. All the products that you upload are verified from the backend team of Dryomix. Here a unique feature of customer support has also been added in the platform, where people can actually talk to you and get in touch with you and your business. After this, you can come back on home and check out. You can also on and off your business here, where people can see whether you are available or not. So this is the Dryomix Partner app, where you can register yourself and the business that you are into and take it on to very great heights with Dryomix, because this is the one-stop solution for every construction related problem. So this is how it will work. You have to download and get yourself registered with. Thank you.